Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Josh X Flight, man. Back again, Josh X Flight. Back here on another video, man. Today we're doing another video on DB Nation reaction. Fireworks. Let me see. Firework prank on husband. Wife gets revenge. So yeah, this is a prank video, man. Prank reaction, man. I want you to smack that like button, you know, if you can. You know, it's like basically 1 second. You know, just to hit that like button, like ching, ching, and subscribe to it. It'll take 1 second to subscribe to my channel, man. But anyway, comment down below what video you want me to do next. And yeah, let's get to it. Let's get straight to it. I just put it all together. Alright, let's get straight to it.
What's good, YouTube? You already know what it is. It's your girl Bianca, and I am back once again. Say shh.
Back then, yeah, Damien did on her. I think they had an apartment back then too, then a house. But yeah, or kind of whatever it is. But he did a prank on her, on Bianca when she was in bed, and it's like reverse. But it's been a long time. Cause I saw that video too. It's been a long,
When I was pregnant, Damien actually did a firecracker prank on me when I was sleeping, and this is
long time.
He put this in like a pan to wake me up. So I decided, why not? It's close to the 4th of July. You know, they're selling fireworks. Come here. They're selling fireworks, and this is a great way to wake Damien up. Are you ready? No. Why not? Huh?
That ain't funny though, but.
Oh, you limping and stuff? I'm so sorry. You see it over there in the corner? Oh my God, my hand is still shaking. I don't know why.
Is this how you feel? This is what we on?
Yeah, you wanna talk to them or no? You don't got nothing else to say.
I got nothing to say. It's cool. There's no prank words is on. There's just no Team Damien all day, every day. There's no prank words is on.
I'm breathing so heavy. Y'all put a comment section Team Bianca all day, every day because that was the best prank ever. And like I said, let's get 50,000 likes and I will definitely prank Damien again. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Bianca's out. Peace.
4th of July. Anyway, man, good video, man. Good video on Bianca. You know, Bianca did her thing. You feel me? She did her thing. And happy 4th of July. No, it was yesterday, but you know, I was gonna say this video because I ain't seen the other video. But you know, happy 4th of July, man. You know, on yesterday. But anyway, man, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you new. And yeah, hit that subscribe button. I'll say like 1 second to hit that subscribe button and the like button, man. But anyway, yeah. That was a good prank, man, Damien. You know, you hurt yourself, bro. You know, you kind of failed. You know, he was like, got a gun. I was like, kick. Crack. He was like, crack somebody, man. But anyway, man, subscribe to my channel, man, if you new. And yeah. Keep on rocking me, man. That's Ace Flight crew, man. We out here. We eating, y'all. We eating. Everybody eating, bro. Alright. Peace.
Don't